फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 ईयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं।
So here the topic is surplus table for comparison. I have said one day how the capital is being managed by Savita, how she is taking capital from Tejpal Singh, why Tejpal Singh is having enough money to give to Savita. Correct? So how this is possible? This is possible because Tejpal Singh has too much of surplus left for him. That is why that with that surplus he's earning capital and he's using it. A question comes to the mind, what is surplus? What is surplus? Correct? Just see here. I have written what is surplus? Crop produced by the farmer. Total crop which is produced by one farmer. I'm talking about one farmer. So if one farmer is there, how much he has produced on a piece of land minus crop which is consumed by the farmer. It means for self-consumption. Self-consumption. Farmer produce करेगा तो कुछ amount तो अपने लिए रखता है ना कि साल भर इतना मुझे भी लगेगा. The amount what he has kept by himself for the remaining part of the year, what he is going to consume, that is self-consumption. So crop produced by the farmer on that given piece of land minus crop consumed by the farmer is known as surplus. हर farmer के पास ऐसा surplus बचता है. When it is left by each and every farmer, it means in the country also we have surplus. But what this surplus is to be done by the farmer? In short, I can say surplus is production minus consumption. If I take the whole country, the whole production which has been done in the country minus the total consumption being done by the country people, I can say the difference is surplus. The difference is surplus. Correct? So meaning of the word surplus is very clear. Crop produced by the farmer minus crop consumed by the farmer. Or I can say surplus is equal to production minus consumption. Like mathematics, you can write S is equal to P minus C. Correct? Now just see here. To understand this particular part, we have to go on doing some numerical. Take this numerical is there in your book and I have selected that. I'm taking 3 farmers. Let us take 3 farmers. How many farmers we are going to take? 3 farmers. Each has grown wheat on his field, though the production is different. These 3 farmers, they own the land. सबके पास land है. Everyone has grown wheat on the field. जो उनका एरिया है, जितना भी उनके पास एरिया है, उस एरिया पे उन्होंने wheat grow किया. प्रोडक्शन जो हुआ ग्रो करके वो शायद अलग अलग होगा क्योंकि सबके पास लैंड अलग अलग है. करेक्ट? द कंजप्शन ऑफ व्हीट बाय ईच फार्मर फैमिली इज द सेम. कंजप्शन जो है ना तीनों फार्मर का वो सेम है. अगर किसी के यहाँ 10 kg ऑफ राइस है तो दूसरे के यहाँ भी 10 kg ऑफ राइस ही मंथली में कंज्यूम होता है, तीसरे के यहाँ भी 10 kg ऑफ राइस इज कंज्यूम. इट मींस बाय ऑल द 3 फार्मर्स द कंजप्शन इज द सेम, वेदर इट इज राइस, वेदर इट इज wheat. The whole of surplus wheat, the whole of surplus wheat, that is the wheat which is left by the farmer that particular year. Surplus मैंने बता दिया production minus consumption. तो जो extra बच रहा है उसके पास, that surplus of the wheat this year, it is used as capital for the next year production. Surplus wheat को कैसे capital कर सकता है? Surplus wheat, what the farmer is having, he will be selling in the market and earning money. With that money, he will need basic requirements also, plus he will keep it safe. But in this particular question in your book, it is said that the whole of the surplus wheat this year is used as a capital for the next year's production. पूरा का पूरा हम बचा लेते हैं next year production करने के लिए. But. Also suppose production is twice the capital used in production. जो मेरा कैपिटल बच रहा है ना उसका मुझे ट्वाइस डालना है एवरी ईयर. क्या डालना है? ट्वाइस एज अ कैपिटल. जो कैपिटल है उसको ट्वाइस में डालूंगी तो क्या बन जाएगा? प्रोडक्शन फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द टेबल. Correct? Just see the table here. Table 1. Production, consumption, surplus, that is production minus consumption, capital for the next year. In farmer 1, they have said 100. Production हुआ था 100 units और 100 tons of wheat. कंजप्शन कितना है 40. एक चीज देखो बेटा, फार्मर 1, फार्मर 2, फार्मर 3, सभी में आप देखो मैंने कंजप्शन कितना लिखा है 40. कंजप्शन इज सेम फॉर ऑल द 3 फार्मर्स. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट लाइन. 100 is production, consumption is 40. What is surplus now? 100 minus 40 equal to 60. This 60 he will be selling in the market and getting the money. He will earn money. When he is earning money, that money is keeping safe. Why? To be used as capital for the next year. Question में क्या दिया है? जो capital इस year का है उसको डबल करके आप प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. तो कैपिटल 60, उसका डबल कितना हुआ 120. तो 120 है, कंजप्शन 40, 120 माइनस 40 कितना आएगा 80. फिर 80 हो गया कैपिटल. करेक्ट. फिर 80 का डबल करोगे ईयर 3 में. नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू as it was written here, the capital will be doubled for the production. Very good. Here you see the money which is with him goes on increasing. First year it was 60, second year it became 80, third year it became 120. So 60, 80 and 120. This farmer you see he's left with only capital every year 40. So production is double of it 80. Every year he has the same capital left with him 40, 40, 40. See the third one. First year 20, बहुत कम था. Then it became 0, no capital left. फिर वो माइनस में चला गया, यानी कि उसने उधार लिया. He has borrowed money from someone else. It means he is in debt. How much the amount is there? Minus 40. Correct? When amount goes on increasing every year, it means he belongs to large scale farmer. That is why they give money to small scale farmer or the landless laborer. जिसका मनी हर साल बढ़ते जाएगा वो लार्ज स्केल फार्मर है प्रोडक्शन के हिसाब से. मीडियम स्केल फार्मर वो हु कैन मीट हिज डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स, जो उसका इमरजेंसी है, जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, जरूरी है, वो मीट कर सकता है. बिकॉज एवरीवेयर यू सी इट इज 40, 40 and 40. Correct. Everywhere it is like that. Small scale farmer, first year anyhow he might have saved, but next year when it becomes 0, how he will do the production? So production here 0 को फिर हम जाएंगे तो वो कितना बच जाएगा वहां. 0 का स्क्वायर प्रोडक्शन 0 हो गया, पर कंजप्शन तो सेम है. क्यों प्रोडक्शन 0 हो गया? उसके पास पैसा ही नहीं बचा, क्योंकि ये कंजप्शन करने के लिए he will take this 40 rupees from large scale farmer, and this large scale farmer will give him 40 rupees. तो ये नेगेटिव में चला गया ना, -40, ये भी -40. फिर नेक्स्ट भी कैपिटल उसके पास है ही नहीं. प्रोडक्शन गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. No production at all. After a time it comes because the land is taken by the landowner as he is unable to repay back the debt. Correct?